Markets just closed, and the final tally shows a broad-based rally despite fear gripping the streets at 25 out of 100. So how are tech stocks leading us higher when investors are this scared? That's the story of today. The S&P 500 closed up 28 and 81 hundredths of a point, a gain of 0.38%. The Nasdaq absolutely outperformed, climbing 162 points or 0.62% higher. That tech strength matters because the Dow Jones gained 150 points, but only rose 0.29%. The Russell 2000 small caps tagged along with a 0.39% gain. So big tech is carrying the market while fear stays elevated. The Fed funds rate ticked up slightly to 3.63, and that's the macro backdrop framing today's action. Here's where it gets interesting. PayPal absolutely exploded today, crushing expectations with a 17.2% rally. That's the surprise winner of the day by miles. Apple jumped 4% on strong analyst coverage and positive momentum. Google gained 3.17% following its own strength. These three stocks alone are powering the Nasdaq higher. All of this despite the fear and greed gauge screaming extreme fear at 25 out of 100. But here's the pain trade. Intel collapsed down 4.43%, losing nearly $5 a share. AMD got hammered even worse, plunging 3.46% or almost $19. The chip sector is rotating out despite Nasdaq strength elsewhere. Johnson & Johnson dropped 2.69% on healthcare sector weakness. These semiconductor losses are the biggest red flag to watch going forward. Analyst signals are screaming bullish on the mega-cap tech names. Microsoft has 63 buy ratings versus 0 sells. Amazon has 70 buys and 0 sells. Google shows 60 buys against 0 sells. Nvidia has 64 buys with just 1 sell rating. That's overwhelming consensus on these names. Yet the chip manufacturers like Intel and AMD are getting thrown out. That's a critical divergence. After-hours action is quiet so far, but watch for any earnings releases or guidance changes overnight. The single most important thing to monitor at tomorrow's open is semiconductor strength. If Intel and AMD bounce tomorrow, we get confirmation that today was a dip buy.